I can tell you right now, this is the most random time to start this vlog, but you know what? When is the right time? When is it? Exactly. I'm currently sitting in a gas station. I just pumped some gas, and I also just ordered some sushi. I'm starving. I just ordered some sushi, and I'm also on my way to get my nails done because I've been needing to get these crispy critters done for a hot minute, and now is the time. Marley's at his dad's, so I have all the time in the world to just take my time, relax, eat my sushi, go get my nails done, have a little bit of a me moment, and just vibe a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I really need some chapstick. I cannot stand when my lips are dry. Absolutely not. It's just not the move when your lips be burning. You know what I'm saying? Like when your lips are so dry they burn. Most uncomfortable feeling ever, I have to say. Just made it to the sushi place. The sushi place I go to is Sushi Nico Nico. It's getting dark, so let's turn the light on. Anyway, so just made it to the sushi place. I'm about to go in and pick up my order. All right, I got the goods. It's getting dark. It's getting darky dark. You know how when you like buy something and then like you go in on food and you buy a lot of it and then you get the actual price of it and you're like, oh my god, did I really just spend that much on food? That was me right now. Will it be worth it? I hope so. Let me give y'all a little close-up of what we're working with here. Oh my god, that looks so good. This is all crab. I don't know what this little like the little string things are, but I think it's just crab. So good. I'm genuinely upset. The nail salon is closed. I have no idea why. It's 7:30. It's not even that late, but it's closed. So I can't go there today. Oh my god. I've been trying to get my nails done for a while now, and it's just not working out. But that's definitely some first world problems. I'm not worried about it. I will have to go tomorrow. Yeah. And hi guys, what is up? It is the next day. I have done a couple of things today. I wish this would actually stay how I wanted it. That way, like I could actually talk to you guys. What is up? It is currently the next day. I got dressed and did a couple of things already. Oh my god. Anyway, I woke up, ate breakfast, ended up eating that sushi that I bought last night. Ring light is all up in the way. Girl, I'm gonna need you to move. I'm trying to like, you know? I think right now what I'm going to do is do a little bit of journaling because I haven't done that. I did it yesterday, but I didn't do it today. So I'm gonna go ahead, sit down and do that. And then I think I wanna film a video. I wanna film like a no shame try on all. I haven't filmed one of those in a hot minute, baby. So I really wanna film one of those. I also got a PR package from Skims. So I wanna open that on here with you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna open up the PR package first. So I got a package from Skims. Heck yeah! We got a Skims PR package. Thumbnail! I gotta pick out a couple of things, and they sent me like a good amount of stuff. Like they sent me a lot of stuff. But first, it looks like they got, let's see. I got the Bando, some of their thongy thongs. Says Skims on the front, really good quality. This bra, this sports bra right here. One of these bras, one of these little halter tops, ribbed halters, super soft, super stretchy. Some of the matching little like boy shorts, I guess. I forgot what they're called, like boy shorts, or like, there's a name for them. There's a name for them. They also sent me some of the boy short underwears. I've really been wanting to try those. I'm like 90% sure they sent me the high-waisted underwear. Super stretchy, super soft. I am not going to try these on in the vlog because I'm going to film a try-on haul with all of these. So stay tuned for that. You know when your nail keeps like snagging on things? Like I really need to get my nails done. I keep trying and like things keep happening and I can't get them done. But you know how when your nail like starts snagging on your hair and starts like pulling on everything? Most annoying feeling ever. I genuinely hate that feeling and that's what's happening right now. I am going to get my nails done later. I do not care. I need to get them done. Depop order that I need to fulfill. And I'm gonna do that right now to get that out of the way. So this is how I pack my Depop orders. Since you're here, I might as well just show you, right? Anyway, the first thing I do is I check my phone, I check my Depop to make sure I'm grabbing the right items, and then I go in my closet or my storage area, whatever you want to call it, and I pick out what they ordered. She ordered a jean skirt, and I always like fold it up really nicely so I get it ready for packaging. She ordered this really cute striped tie-up top, and she also ordered these super comfy sweats. These super comfy tie-dye sweats from Nasty Gal. Tag still attached. Guys, most of the stuff in my closet I don't wear, like, if I'm being honest. So usually the tags are still attached to these bad boys. So don't forget to check out my Depop. I will, of course, link it down below. I have different size poly mailers. I think this is a good size. I think this will fit everything in it. And I just open it up and fit it in, basically. After it's time to weigh my package, because I print my shipping labels from home. If you guys have any questions on that, let me know. I'll do a separate video on how, like, go in detail on how I ship items and ship out my Depop orders. But then I just take my scale, I take a hard surface, so I store everything in this little like toy box. I don't know if you guys can see it, but basically I put the scale down on the ground and then I put the package on top, and it tells me exactly how much it weighs in ounces. 2.2 pounds. So then normally what I do is I just write that on the packaging, because when I go and print the label, it's just something that you want to know and you don't want to forget. Go ahead and finish printing that out. Like I said, if you guys want a detailed video on how I actually like print the shipping labels, then give this video a big thumbs up and I will do a detailed video on that. Hi guys, so it has been a couple of days later, not gonna lie. I did end up getting my nails done. I got this really pretty green color. Reminds me of like a jade color. I don't know, I was just really vibing with that green. I've been really liking green of late. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys and end the vlog here and let you guys know that I'm gonna be vlogging a lot. I really do enjoy it, and I know not a lot of people watch the vlogs, but I think it's important to do what you love, and I love vlogging. So I'm gonna be vlogging. I hope you guys subscribe, and thank you so much for watching to the end. I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah!